I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a rule in Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer, and once it's up, we'll go straight into the settings. Click File in the top left corner. The account information screen opens, and Manage Rules and Alerts is sitting right on this page. Click that. Now the Rules and Alerts dialog opens on the Email Rules tab. This is the full list of rules you've already created, and it can get long. I'm going to delete one that moves invoices into a folder, so I'll click that rule once to highlight it. When you highlight it, the description box at the bottom of the dialog shows exactly what that rule does. I never delete without checking that box first. Before you click delete, double-check the name in the highlighted row and the description below. There's no undo once this is saved, and this is the moment where you catch that mistake. With the rule selected, click the delete button in the toolbar above the list. It's the one with the red X right next to copy. The rule disappears from the list immediately. If Outlook asks you to confirm, hit yes. Don't be surprised if it doesn't ask, because some builds just remove it straight away. Now the rule is marked for deletion, but it isn't saved yet. That's the part most people miss, so click OK at the bottom of the dialog to save the change. Click OK now, and the Rules and Alerts box closes. You're back on the main Outlook window, and the rule is gone for good. Anything that rule used to sort will now land in your inbox like the rest of your mail. Your inbox is still here, and Outlook is back to its normal view. Let me show you the one way to back out if you pick the wrong rule. Go back to File, then Manage Rules and Alerts to reopen it. Select a rule, click Delete, and this time click Cancel instead of OK. The dialog closes. Go back into Manage Rules and Alerts one more time, and that rule is still in the list. OK is the save action, so nothing is permanent until you click it. Once you click OK, the rule is gone and you have to build it again. While it's open, there's a better option than deleting if you just need the rule to stop running for a while. Clear the checkbox next to the rule and click OK. The rule stays in the list but stops applying, which is exactly what I use when a project is on hold. If this saved you from deleting the wrong rule, give it a like. Hit subscribe so the next Outlook fix stays in your feed. And leave a comment saying it was helpful, because that's how these videos reach other people looking for the same thing.